we're going to check out this Cadillac. So on another mission, find a hoopty, flipping hoopties. And it's I don't know what year. The girl didn't post what year it is, but just telling from the body style, and it's kind of stuck up in the wood. So we're gonna see how we can get it out today. I don't think we might leave her like with a small deposit, but I don't think there's any way to grab it today. I gotta get my winch welded on the trailer. The trailer's almost ready, but not quite. And then the wood, we gotta screw the rest of the wood down. So I'm probably gonna work on that this evening. So 15 minutes away, not too far. Worst thing that can happen, we go check it out. Somebody else beats us to the punch, but we do have trailer and winch and truck to be able to pull it out, and I don't think anybody else has responded. She put on her post that she doesn't have any paperwork like the title, but she can do bill of sale. So anyways, going to get this one, hopefully, and definitely going to take a look at it, and we'll cut you back on when we get there. All right, so me and Max are headed to check out this vehicle. If you like this type of content, subscribe right now, support us. Me and my son love doing this. I think he has more fun than me sometimes, but anyways, we have so many more vehicles that we want to drop that we already have the footage for. So the more you support the channel, the more we can do this. But watch this video all the way to the end because it's a really, really important one. Very, very cool footage here.
This is the car.
So the engine transmission inside.
Yeah, I think you can open it. I think it's open. Yeah, everything's in it, yeah.
Okay.
So, I mean, the only thing is like the seats are all messed up, they're all damaged. The motor and everything's in it, huh?
Yeah. Okay, cool.
You can pop the hood?
Okay, cool. Can I slide this ladder a little bit? Here, let me move it out the way. Okay, cool. Thanks. Move it out the way. A lot of people give you a hard time on hitting it because of the condition?
Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna sell it to the junkyard because I was like, I just need it out. Like, I've been needing it out for a long time, but...
Right.
I mean, the body's good and stuff.
Yeah.
But first, my nephew wanted it because it was his car. I mean, my sister had given it to him.
Uh-huh.
But he didn't, I guess, he didn't have the money to fix it and stuff.
Right.
Oh, dude. All right.
Okay, cool. When it stopped running, does anybody know what made it stop running? Okay.
Nuh-uh.
Okay.
It was running fine. I think it was just overheat, I think, or something, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't really remember.
Okay.
But then she just stopped it.
Okay, cool.
This is the first time we're opening the hood.
Yeah.
I mean, the tires, I put air in the tires. The only one that doesn't hold is that one, and this one got flat, but...
Okay. It doesn't hold at all, you don't think?
No, it has the one in the back, no. This one, it holds it, but the one in the back right here, no one at all. Doesn't at all.
Okay.
It's fixed, I think.
You said it had the big hole.
Oh, yeah, it's right there. So.
Oh, yeah, I see. Okay, cool.
So I don't know how, I mean, like...
I'm going to take a picture of the tire size,
way?
yeah. I'll take a picture of the tire size, and then once we do a deal, maybe I'll put a tire on that one. Or bring a spare. I might have a rolling spare, too, at the house. Does this open?
Yeah.
Holy.
Come over here, man.
Oh, my.
You want to get the current condition.
Oh. Woo.
This is a good one.
What?
What?
I won the bet.
You won the bet. We said, how do you think the interior is going to be? But they got these at the junkyard, though, Max.
Yeah, I know.
They got these seats at the junkyard.
Yeah. I won the bet. Ah. That is just crazy.
Yeah, okay, this one, I think we did open this one.
Woo.
We got your side mirror. Get that, we'll pull that.
Oh my god, there's a lighter, there's a knife, there's a... Oh, wow, there's a lot of stuff.
I'm gonna take a couple pictures.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty crazy for a car.
Perfect. But you guys, that's how you pulled it in here, was this way before there was stuff? Okay, cool. Yeah.
But I think she got it in here working. I think that's what that's...
And then also, we're gonna have to, I'll probably bring a jack and we'll have to shimmy it, you know? Yeah, something. Because I won't be able to get my truck in and then that little building, you know?
Yeah.
that might stop it. So I'll have to bring a jack and then maybe something wood or metal so that we can slide it over a little bit, little by little. It's gonna be a half day.
Sheets of metal right there.
You might got some.
Probably put it right under.
Yeah, just so it don't sink in the dirt.
Yeah.
And I can bring my jack and then pull it. It's gonna be a lot of work. Yeah, I like the car. I'll take it. You don't have to deal with anybody else or worry about if we're gonna get it. It's just getting it slid over and coming Tuesday or Wednesday to make it happen.
Yeah.
Wait.
If it's okay, I'll take a couple more pictures.
Yeah, that's fine.
I want to get it with all the leaves on it. That's the best part, is to show the before and after.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Well,
Huh?
we're gonna get this car
Yeah,
and
we're
then
gonna get it, man.
we're gonna fix it up.
Alright, so here's the vehicle outside. We did get it out of the property. This is just video number 1. Make sure that you subscribe and you put that bell notification because the next video is already recorded. We got it home, and spoiler alert, we did get it running. I sprayed some starter fluid through the windshield while holding the key myself into the intake, and you don't want to miss that. So hit that bell notification and subscribe. We can't wait to show you the next video and everything coming for this car. And yeah, we'll see you on that one later.